Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to get rid of background in Canva. Let's begin. To remove the background from an image in Canva, you just have to follow these steps. Once you are logged into your account, background removal is a Canva Pro feature, so ensure you are using a Pro account or a free trial. Once you're logged in here, all I have to do is go to the photos that you wanted. Say, for example, I am working with this specific file. Say, I'm going to be working with this one right here. Now, this image, I'm going to click on this one right here. I wanted to remove the background of this specific image, all right? So let me just say, I'm going to be using this image as well, and this right here, and this one. Now, for the first image, I'm going to click on edit. There's going to be an option that says background remover. Again, you need to have the Canva Pro feature. If you don't, you're not going to be able to use this one. Click that, and voila, the image has been deleted already. All right, so very easy. You can do this also here, background remover, and that's that. And here, let's do that again, background remover with one click. That's what's going to happen. All right, also do that here in our first image. If you click on the edit section, you see there's going to be a background removal already here in the first option. Voila. All right, now I'm going to add a background here. For example, I'm going to be choosing this one right here. Basically, that's how you remove any background in the photos. But please take note that there are some of the images here that are like hard to remove the background. So you might want to take note of that, because not everyone has the certain details, and some has the sort of complexity. So it takes a little while. Okay, so here I'm gonna click again on background remover on the top. With one click, you can do it here, and it's very simple, and it allows for more creative flexibility. All right, I'm gonna click on this, making sure that all of the images are in place and integrating images into my designs right here. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.